morning. We are making keto pigs in a blanket. I have butter with cheddar smoked sausage, and then I made a batch of fathead dough, which I'll put my recipe in the description bar below. And then I have a cookie sheet with parchment paper on it, and I have preheated my oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to take little sections of dough and wrap it around these sausages. Here are the macros on the back. Super easy and great to like freeze and just grab and go. There's our first one. May not look the best, but I've made these before and they're delicious if you're really craving something pre-keto. Okay, I feel like I should disclose that I found some hot dogs, these four up here, that were opened in my fridge. So I think these are Conn's hot dogs. And this down here is the cheddar sausage. So we'll see what the difference is in these two. But we're going to put these in the oven. And I'm not sure how long it'll take, but I'll let you know. So they're going into a preheated oven at 425. I'm going to show some good options for dipping. Here I have yellow mustard. And on the back there's no carbs. And then I use this Heinz no sugar added tomato ketchup, which there are some carbs, but it's pretty good. I also have this bottle of Alterna Sweets spicy tomato ketchup, naturally sweetened with stevia. And then here's the macros on the back. And here's the ingredients. And this is pretty good. I got this in a keto box. It's called the Keto Box. It's a monthly subscription box. And this is really good. I prefer the other ketchup, but sometimes I run out, and this is a great one to use as well. It's spicy. Here we go after 17 minutes in the oven. Okay, here we have them out of the oven. They are delicious looking. I've had them before and they're really good. All right, these are quick and easy to make. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.